All right, so here we are in my Subaru Ascent. This is a 2019 model, and we're going to go ahead and replace the cabin filter. I'll link down below to this one that I ordered off of Amazon, but this one does have some activated charcoal, and it's supposed to help be good for 15,000 miles. Now, it's been about 50,000 miles since I've replaced the cabin filter in here. So first thing first, we're going to take out all the things that are in the glove box and move those off to the side. Next thing here, all right, after you've opened up and emptied out your glove box, you got to take off this little pin right here. You just want to put your muscle into it, just push it off to the right, and then you've got little pins up here that hold this glove box in. Now, as you can see, that pops out, and actually it comes all the way out. It's just held on with these right here. Now, come down lower and shoot in this way. We've got our glove box here. You've got some little pins. You're going to squeeze, I'm sorry, in the way, but you squeeze these little pins and you just pull it out. So these are the pins right here. You just squeeze these together, and this pops right out. Tells you that this way is up, so you know that's up on the outside. And then you're going to reach in here and you're going to grab your air filter. Now this is, I want to say, installed a little bit off. Now, as you can see, mine is really, really dirty. You can see the stuff that's in here, and that it goes down through the filter. So that means you got to make sure that your air, with any arrows, I don't see any arrows on this one, but the arrows are pointed down when you're doing this. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down right here for now. I'm going to go ahead and grab my new one, nice and fresh, open it up, tear that packaging open. Let's just see, airflow. First thing I'm going to look for on here, airflow down. So this is the way we need to put it in. So I'm going to go ahead and reach up in here, and I'm going to just slide this up. Actually, let me just check one thing here. So these are the same size. Just wanted to double check. This did say it would fit, but you never know. I've had a couple times where they've sent me the wrong thing. So, all right, I got to go up and in there, just like that. That is now in place. Now we're going to go ahead and move this one out of the way, which is dirty. We're going to take our little piece right here. This has these little notches on it. It's going to go up in this section over here. And I know you really can't see very well because of my arms and everything, but it's going to pop in here if I can get it right, lined up. There we go. That just pops right in like that, held in place really well. And now we put our glove box back. Now I'm going to move this umbrella out of the way. I think this might have actually hit it before and jarred it loose, but we're going to put this on here first. Just like that. These are on there like that. Now we're going to go ahead and come up, pop those back in, put on our little bar here, and look at that, we are done. After we put the stuff back in the glove box. But thank you for watching. That's how you switch the air filter on your Subaru Ascent.